Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video I'm going to teach you how to fix background app refresh not working on iPhone in iOS 17. So let's get started without wasting any time. So guys, the very first thing what you need to do is just go to the home screen and open the settings menu. On the settings menu, swipe down to find battery and tap on it. Here, turn off low power mode. After turning off the low power mode, now go back to the general. Swipe down and tap background app refresh. And now check if background app refresh works or not. So you can see that background app refresh is working now. That's it. Like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video.